This is the final video to solve the UNITYPLAYER DLL missing or not found error. Are you also facing this problem where a game or app refuses to open because Windows says UNITYPLAYER DLL is missing? This happens when the file gets deleted, corrupted, or blocked by Windows or antivirus. Other videos make it too confusing with long fixes. When I faced this issue, I fixed it with one simple trick, and I'm sharing it here on Rexish. First, reinstall the game or app because UNITYPLAYER.dll comes bundled with it, not from Windows. A fresh install usually restores the file. Next, verify game files if you're using Steam, Epic, or Xbox app because those tools automatically replace missing DLL files. Then update your graphics drivers because outdated drivers can prevent Unity-based apps from loading. After that, run SFC and DISM to repair system files that may be blocking the DLL from loading. And here's the secret trick that fixed it for me: downloading the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and reinstalling them. As soon as I did this, the game detected UNITYPLAYER.dll and launched with no errors. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll make it for you.